graders in each place got it.
Okay, thank you. All right, so we're going to be doing the same thing that we did yesterday, similar concept, okay? With dividing, but now, like our objective said, we are going to be dividing 3 and 4 dividends. So yesterday we were dividing 2 dividends, or I say yesterday, Friday, we were dividing 2 dividends, and now we're going to be dividing 3 and 4. So this is our first problem. All right, so 6,247 divided by 29 is what we're looking at first. So we're first going to ask ourselves, can we divide 6,000s by 29 evenly?
Yes. No.
Can you divide it evenly without a remainder? No, we can't, right, Ashton? We can't without changing it to the next number. So I'm going to go ahead and write my long division out because that's helpful for us to see, right? All right, so we have 6,247. We said we cannot divide 29 evenly into 6,000s, right? So we're going to try the next number. Can we divide 29 into 6,200s?
Yeah.
Can you divide
Yes.
29 into 6,200s?
Yes.
Yes, we can. So that's where we're going to start. So when we record, where are we going to record that number?
Above
Right above our 2, because that's in our what place? Hundreds. Yeah, and we're dealing with 6,200s, right? So let's go ahead and think of an estimation. If we're thinking of 29, what number could we think about, Thomas? 30. All right. And what number could we think about when we're thinking about 62 that divides evenly into 30, Bailey? 60. So what is 60 divided by 30, Saterlin? 2, yes, good, excellent. All right, so where are we going to put this 2? That's our estimate. Where are we putting the 2 again? Gordon? On top of the 2. So because we know that is 200s that we're dealing with, right? All right, so the first thing we do was divide. We divided. What is our next step in our division process? Camille? Multiplying. So we're multiplying 29 times 2. And we can just do that over here on the side. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry your 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 58. All right, so that's 5,800s, right? Where are we going to put the 5,800s? Under the 62. Good job. Y'all are doing excellent. All right, and our next, so we divide, we multiply, Gordon now subtract. So we're subtracting 62 minus 58. So somebody tell me what that's going to give me. Ashton? 4. All right, we subtracted. Now what do we do? Javen? Bring down my 4. Good. All right. And now we're going to repeat that process, right? So we're repeating the process. So we're going to start back with division. So how many times does 29 go into 44? Let's think about it. So we did earlier, we said let's estimate this to 30, right? Is that what we said? Do we still want to estimate to 30?
No.
What do you want to estimate this to? 20?
30.
What are you going to estimate? Okay, so if you estimate this to 20, you would estimate that to 40. I think you're going to be, so your estimate, because this is a 29, that's a 40, you can use that estimate. So let's just use it and see if it's going to work. So I heard y'all want to use the estimate 20. So 40 divided by 20. Let's see if it's going to work. That gives us 2, right? So let's do our check. So 2 times 29. We overshot. Excellent. But I wanted to show you how it's okay to have that estimate. And if you shoot too high, that's fine. Your check is going to show you because 58 is more than 44, right? So what I need to do with the 2, I need to go down 1, right?
Go down.
So what's my new number going to be?
1.
So I'm going to put my 1 there. 29 times 1 is?
29.
Any number times itself is 29. Good. All right. Let's go ahead and subtract this. What is that, anybody? Thomas, what does that give me? 15. And I'm running out of space. I'm gonna erase this work I have on the side. All right, so we're at 50.